exhaust from starting up my car set off the other car alarm next to me. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool. Hey guys, so I woke up around like 3:30 this morning to go run a PT test, but now I'm back, and right now I am registering an account for the Salvage Yard so that I can go to the Salvage Yard today and go check out a car that we're gonna look at. My buddy just got off work early so that he can come pick me up. We can go together and go look at the new car. So this is super exciting. I'm gonna do this account up right now, and hopefully he'll be here soon. I bet they would have given you it for $22,000.
I don't know. I think Michael has a date.
2,200. Okay.
Okay, so I really wanted to film while I was at the Salvage Yard and show you guys the cars there. Unfortunately, they only gave us 5 minutes per car to check them over and decide whether we wanted to bid on them or not. That means look at everything mechanical, check to make sure all the doors open cleanly, everything works. 5 minutes per car is all we were allowed to look at them, and then we had to move on to the next car. So really couldn't do any filming because I was busy pulling dipsticks, checking oil, checking coolant, make sure the cars had coolant in them when they came in. Because if remember, this is a salvage yard. These cars might not run, but we want to make sure when they came into the yard that at least they were taken care of properly and have the fluids in them. That's a good sign, a good start. So we looked at 3. We looked at the 4.6 V8 Genesis. That was a really cool car. We looked at the RX-8. Oh my gosh, I would have bought this car if I had the funds for it right now. I would have bought it. It was a RX-8 Mazda with only 20,000 original miles on it. Brand new Mazda, like 2007. Oh, it was gorgeous. Just a little bit of like rear end damage. But unfortunately, with the price they were asking, it was just it wasn't feasible. And then the third one was a Jeep Cherokee, which was really badly maintained. We were looking at it. At first, we just thought it had some minor rear end damage, but it had a coolant leak, it had an oil leak. It wasn't good. So we put a bid in on the Genesis, and we're hoping to hear back from them to see if we got it. It's a 4.6 V8. Hopefully we'll hear back from them. Now the Genesis has a knocking in the engine, so what we're probably going to do if we do end up getting it is tearing apart the engine and doing a full rebuild on the V8. Alright, well, that's it for today. I'm going to take off. I'm going to edit this so I can post it for you guys. Thanks for watching Import Life. Please like and subscribe to the channel and follow along with the builds. Alright, take care.